So I heard we're allowed to unbox our Ryzen 2000 series CPUs now, so that's what we're going to do here today. Just a very quick video here. Twitter exclusive. So we got two ones here, Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7, to the 2600X and the 2700X, respectively. This would be the 2600X since it is a Ryzen 5 CPU. It comes with a Wraith, I believe it's the Wraith Stealth Cooler if I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong about that. The one I'm more excited about though is the 2700X, which actually, yeah, that just happened. The Ryzen 7 2700X, which is the 8-core 16-thread, actually comes with a new cooler, the Wraith Prism, which has RGB. And I've already taken this out of the box, and I'm not really too excited about the RGB, but the cooler itself just looks insane for a stock cooler. Let's see if I can show it to you guys here very quickly. Go ahead and pop it out of the box, and just look at that thing. Look how thick that is. That is a, look at that. That is awesome. The fan on this one is clear since it is RGB, and there's also an RGB ring that goes around on here. But the heatsink itself is massive for a stock heatsink, so that's really cool. I'm interested to see how well it's going to be able to keep our 2700X or 2600X, whichever one I use it on, keep it cool, really. So that's a very nice looking stock cooler from AMD. Here's the bigger box. So you got like a little thing in here, bring your imagination to life with 2nd gen Ryzen. Go ahead and throw that to the side. Last year with Ryzen, they only sent reviewers one motherboard, but there was two different ones that came, like Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, Ryzen 3 all came separately. And each one of those actually did come with a motherboard, so I guess it's not too different. But yeah, we've got two motherboards in here, and here's the kit of RAM they sent along. This is G-Skill Sniper X. This is 3400 megahertz RAM with CAS latency 16. So very fast RAM. Hopefully that works on XMP right away. And the two motherboards that I got is, the first one here is the Aorus X470. Seems like a very nice board. Lots of connectivity on it. And the other one is an MSI X470 Gaming M7AC. So those are the two motherboards that came along with the Ryzen processors here. So yeah, reviews will be coming soon to the channel. The 19th is when we can actually post our stuff. I'm going to be building a system today actually with the Ryzen parts here. So yeah, ta-ra.